Which is better, E20 or normal petrol? Welcome to this presentation on which is better, E20 or normal petrol. Today, we'll explore both fuels, their advantages, disadvantages, and find out which one suits you better. Introduction. E20 is a blend of 20% ethanol with petrol, while normal petrol contains little or no ethanol. Governments around the world are promoting E20 to reduce dependence on crude oil and cut down carbon emissions. But at the same time, questions arise about efficiency, cost, and whether vehicles can handle it properly. What is E20? E20 contains 20% ethanol and 80% petrol. The ethanol is usually derived from crops such as sugarcane or corn. It is renewable, offers a higher octane rating, and reduces reliance on fossil fuels. This makes E20 an attractive choice for a cleaner future. What is normal petrol? Normal petrol, on the other hand, is the conventional fuel most of us use today. It has little or no ethanol, is widely available, and works well with all types of vehicles. It provides consistent mileage and stable performance but contributes more to carbon emissions since it is fossil fuel based. E20, pros and cons. E20 has several benefits. It is renewable, eco-friendly, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and supports farmers who grow the crops used for ethanol production. However, it also has drawbacks. Vehicles may experience 6 to 10% lower mileage, not all engines are compatible, and ethanol can cause higher wear and tear due to its corrosive nature. Normal petrol, pros and cons. Normal petrol gives better mileage, is compatible with all vehicles, and is easily available. But the downsides are clear: it is a non-renewable resource, it produces higher carbon emissions, and it increases our dependence on oil imports. Cost comparison. When it comes to cost, E20 is usually cheaper than normal petrol because of government subsidies on ethanol. However, the reduced mileage often cancels out the price advantage. The actual cost effectiveness depends on your vehicle type and driving habits. Vehicle compatibility. Compatibility is a major factor. Older vehicles may face issues such as engine knocking or corrosion when running on E20. But newer vehicles, especially those manufactured after 2023, are increasingly designed to run on E20 without problems. Always check your vehicle manufacturer's recommendation before switching. Conclusion. In conclusion, E20 is an eco-friendly step towards sustainable fuel, but it comes with some compromises in efficiency and compatibility. Normal petrol still provides better performance and mileage but is less sustainable. The better choice ultimately depends on your priorities, whether you value cost and efficiency today, or long-term environmental benefits for the future.